Hi everyone. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 Honda CRF 250F, a trail bike that combines reliability, power, and off-road versatility. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into dirt riding or an experienced rider who wants a fun and capable trail bike, the CRF 250F is built to handle a variety of terrains with ease. At the heart of the CRF 250F is a 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Honda designed this engine to deliver smooth and predictable power, making it perfect for both casual riders and those looking to push their limits on trails. With electronic fuel injection, PGMFI, the CRF 250F offers consistent throttle response, better fuel efficiency, and easy cold starts, even in varying weather conditions. The engine produces around 22 to 24 horsepower, giving you enough power to tackle hills, rough trails, and open dirt roads. The bike features a 5-speed manual transmission, allowing for smooth gear shifts and precise control over power delivery. Whether you're riding through technical sections or opening up on fire roads, the CRF 250F provides a balanced mix of torque and top-end speed. Honda has built the CRF 250F with a steel twinspar frame, giving it a solid and durable structure while keeping it lightweight. The overall weight of the bike is around 265 pounds, making it manageable for riders of all skill levels. The frame design also helps with stability and handling, ensuring the bike feels planted even on rough terrain. When it comes to suspension, the CRF 250F is equipped with 41mm telescopic forks up front, offering 8.5 inches of travel, and a ProLink rear suspension with 9.1 inches of travel. This setup provides excellent shock absorption, allowing the bike to handle bumps, jumps, and rocky sections comfortably. Braking performance is just as important on the trails, and Honda has fitted the CRF 250F with a 240mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc brake, ensuring strong and reliable stopping power in all conditions. The brakes are tuned to provide a good balance of control and safety, whether you're slowing down on steep descents or navigating tight corners. The CRF 250F runs on a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, both wrapped in off-road tires that offer excellent grip on dirt, mud, and gravel. The larger front wheel helps with stability and obstacle clearance, making it easier to roll over rocks and ruts on the trail. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its updated styling and graphics, inspired by Honda's championship-winning motocross bikes. The aggressive bodywork, bold Honda red color, and modern shroud design give it a race-ready look while maintaining its trail-friendly ergonomics. The seat height sits at 34.8 inches, making it accessible to a wide range of riders while still offering enough ground clearance for tackling obstacles. Another major advantage of the CRF 250F is its low-maintenance design. Honda's 4-stroke engines are known for their durability and reliability, meaning you spend less time working on the bike and more time riding. Basic maintenance like oil changes, air filter cleaning, and chain adjustments are straightforward, making this bike an excellent choice for riders who want hassle-free ownership. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Honda CRF 250F is expected to start at around $5,199, making it an affordable and high-value option in the trail bike category. For the performance, reliability, and fun factor it offers, this bike is a fantastic investment for riders looking for a dependable off-road machine. So, who is the CRF 250F for? If you're an off-road enthusiast, trail rider, or someone looking for a fun and capable dirt bike, this is a great choice. It's perfect for riders who want to step up from smaller trail bikes like the CRF 125F but aren't quite ready for a full motocross bike. Whether you're riding on trails, exploring new terrain, or practicing off-road skills, the CRF 250F delivers a smooth and confidence-inspiring experience. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda CRF 250F. What do you think? Would you choose this bike for your next off-road adventure? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.